If you have not done homework online using either MyMathLab or MyLabs Plus, this is just a short PowerPoint presentation for you. Normally I will not, or most of my other videos are not PowerPoint presentations, but this is a good way to deliver this very brief information. Okay, how do I do my homework? You go to your course, log in, click on the name of our course, and then there's a spot that says homework. You click on that. Once you're there, it's going to pull up a list of all of your assignments, okay? Each one has a due date. For example, the orientation questions are due 9/7 at 11 a.m., so that Monday, a week after we start. And if you click on the name of the homework then, so if I click on orientation or, whatever assignment, it pulls me into a list of the questions. If I click on any one of those, it takes me to that question, okay? This is your interaction screen. This is what you'll see most of the time you're doing your homework. There's usually going to be some kind of box or radio button to pick your answer. Most of the questions have aids over here that you can use to get help. Help me solve this and view an example, work through a problem, either this problem or a problem like it. Your textbook will take you to the e-textbook for whatever section you're looking at. It'll just open it to the beginning. Ask My Instructor sends me an email with a link to the question you're looking at. So if you're stuck on a specific problem, that's your best bet because that will tell me where you're having trouble. Some questions have videos or textbooks, or videos or animations as well that you can go look at. Those are, fine, good. If you're caught on one and that video helps, that's great. Once you have your answer in, clicking on Check Answer will tell you if you're right or wrong. If you're right or wrong. If you're wrong, a box will come up and tell you that you were incorrect and either give you a hint or just let you know, hey, you need to try again. If you get a question wrong several times, eventually it will tell you, no, that's not the right answer. Here's what you put in, but here's what the correct answer was, and it's going to mark it wrong. If this happens to you, you actually get a problem where it's marked wrong and it tells you the right answer. If you click on similar exercise, it'll give you a different version of the question. Okay, so my old question was 7x plus 9. I want to evaluate that for x equals 8. My new question is 7x plus 2. I want to evaluate that for x equals 8. So I got a new question. It's the same type of question, but different. Now, if I do that question correctly and check, it'll pop up and tell me congratulations or good job, and then it'll mark this problem right. You can get 100% by redoing wrong problems, all right? So long as you have the time and energy, you should be able to get 100% on all your homework if that's what you want. You can navigate through your homework by using these buttons up here. They kind of look like the old, they're like a step and fast forward and step back and rewind on a DVD player. People use DVD players anymore, a DVR perhaps. But the step forward will just move you to the next question immediately. The jump forward will move you to the next set of 10, and similarly with the back ones. When you're done with your homework, you can either click on this Save button or you can simply close the window. Both do the same thing. Save makes me feel better, but it doesn't really do anything special because as soon as you enter an answer and it grades it, it uploads that information to the online gradebook. If you're having trouble with homework or a problem, check out those learning aids. If you want to watch the videos that I made, okay, look over on instructor-related videos and watch through those. If you find that those videos are helpful, it could be helpful to watch them before you do that section of homework. Look in the textbook. Our textbook is pretty good. I actually like the way that Blitzer writes. He's the author of our textbook. And then certainly email me and let me know that nothing good's going on, or you don't understand the problem, or you got the right answer but you don't know how, using that Ask My Instructor button, because then I can look exactly at the problem you're looking at. Otherwise, you can email me at zick@fetc.edu anytime. So if you have questions or other issues, either with homework or anything else, shoot me that email, zick@fetc.edu. Thanks.